Ever craved the convenience of online shopping but hesitated because your debit card just doesn't seem to play along? Fear not, curious shopper. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Neon, a trendy new challenger in the financial arena. But can this vibrant card truly illuminate your online payment woes? Let's find out if Neon lets you pay online, and if it does, how it stacks up against the competition. The allure of online shopping, a double-edged sword. Raise your hand if you've ever experienced the thrill, and sometimes frustration, of online shopping. The sheer variety of products at your fingertips, the convenience of home delivery, and the ability to score amazing deals, it's a shopper's paradise. But for some, this paradise comes with a hitch. Traditional debit cards, while fantastic for everyday purchases, can sometimes be a roadblock in the exciting world of online transactions. Why can't I use my regular debit card online? There are a few reasons why your trusty debit card might not be your best friend for online ventures. Security concerns are a major one. Online transactions involve sharing your card details with a third party, which can be nerve-wracking for some. Additionally, some international merchants might not recognize your local debit network, leaving you with a cart full of disappointment. Enter Neon, a modern wallet for the digital age. This is where Neon swoops in, promising a brighter future for online shoppers. Designed for the digital generation, Neon offers a prepaid card service that functions much like a debit card, but with a few key differences. Here's the breakdown. Prepaid advantage. Unlike traditional debit cards linked to your bank account, Neon cards are prepaid. You load them with funds beforehand, giving you more control over your spending and potentially avoiding the risk of overdraft fees. Enhanced security. Neon boasts robust security features for online transactions, putting your mind at ease when shopping online. Global reach. With Neon, you might have access to a wider range of online merchants compared to your local debit card. International transactions become a possibility. So, can you finally shop online with Neon? Absolutely. Neon cards are designed specifically for online transactions. You can use them for a variety of online purchases, from snagging the latest fashion finds to subscribing to your favorite streaming service. But wait, there's more. Now that we've established Neon's online payment prowess, let's explore some additional benefits it might offer. Convenience. Manage your Neon account easily through their mobile app, allowing you to top up your card, track your spending, and stay in control of your finances on the go. Rewards. Some Neon plans might even offer rewards programs, enticing you with cashback or other perks for using your card. Multiple card options. Depending on your needs, you might have the option to choose from various Neon card tiers, each with its own set of features and benefits. Neon, is it the perfect online shopping companion? While Neon offers a compelling solution for online payments, it's important to consider all your options before diving in. Here are some things to keep in mind. Fees. Be sure to check Neon's fee structure. There might be fees associated with topping up your card, international transactions, or even inactivity. Acceptance. Not all online merchants might accept prepaid cards. It's always best to check the payment options before you check out. Alternatives. Explore other options like virtual cards offered by traditional banks, which might provide similar online payment functionality. The verdict. Light up your online shopping with Neon, but do your research. Neon presents the fantastic option for those seeking a secure and convenient way to shop online. With its prepaid nature and global reach, it can be a game-changer for those facing limitations with traditional debit cards. However, remember to factor in potential fees and ensure wider merchant acceptance before making Neon your go-to online payment solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.